When you stir together a simple fritter batter loaded with traditional apples and cinnamon, and then fry the works in hot lard, not only do you create a deliciously addictive treat, but you also create a very versatile batter, a batter that's ready to hold on to lots of flavors, including my favorite twist, ripe bananas. 2 of them. And 1 whole nutmeg grated into the batter from before. As soon as these land in the fat, you can smell the nutmeg. It just permeates the entire kitchen. There's something downright decadent about frying in lard, but hey, it tastes good, and frankly, it's just as healthy as butter. These are delicious just exactly the way they are, but they'd also taste great right smack in the middle of a tropical flavor explosion because, hey, bananas taste pretty good in fritters, but nothing tastes better than lighting bananas on fire. When I was a kid, my dad used to take us to this fancy restaurant with a menu a mile long, but my brothers and I weren't interested in that. We were interested in one thing and one thing only, the flaming desserts. Sounds dangerous, doesn't it? But it doesn't have to be. Here's how to do it safely. Understand that you really can control this. And secondly, understand that the only thing going afire is the rapidly evaporating alcohol in the rum. And for that to happen, you need a hot pan and a flame. So, hold the pan away from you and away from the flame, add the rum, dip the nose, and go for it. Then wait for the applause to die down. This is really just a way to turn butter, sugar, and rum into a dessert sauce with bananas. So what else do bananas and bananas go with? Well, how about mangoes and coconut? Tastes like a tropical vacation in a bowl. And I really like the way that once you master the basics of fritters and flame, you're always just a twist away from a bowl full of flavor.